Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics, and this here is a pretty cool 1940 Chevrolet Special Deluxe. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to take you for a ride in the car. I'm even going to take you under the car. So let's go. Apologize for all the wind noise. I forgot my microphone. Anyway, this car is nice to drive. It's comfortable. The leather feels great. It's just a nicely put together interior. The shifting is super easy on the car, on the floor. Super easy with this. I think it's a Tremec 5-speed. I'll double check, but it's a great transmission with an easy clutch. I don't like to shift a whole lot in bigger cars, but in this car, it's sporty, it's quick, and it's super easy. And as I was saying in the other video clip, if I used it, all the dash gauges are working well, the switches, nice stereo in there, nice ice cold air conditioning. It's just a pleasure to drive the car a second. So there you go. It's just a wonderful old 1940 Chevy with a nice vintage vibe, but just set up to drive long range, well built, nice car. All right, thanks for checking it out. Be sure to check Left Coast Classics out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, as much as I can post. I can't spend my life doing it, but Facebook is generally where I'm going to put, or Instagram, things before we put them out to the masses, like just in. Also, check me out on YouTube. This YouTube channel, if you're on it now, is in excess of 8 million views now, so that's pretty cool. We've had a lot of good response on our videos over the years. I'm on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers with Mike Brewer. The first episode years ago with Ed China with a 1957 Ford Thunderbird that they shipped back to England. The last one we did that aired is in 2018. It's a Lancia Fulvia, 1972 Lancia Fulvia. Mike comes up here to my town in Sonoma in the wine country and buys that car. The most recent one, I can't tell you what it is because it's getting produced right now, but it's a little green sports car, and you have to check that one out. That's coming out soon. Otherwise, check out the description. If you're not on my website, go there. There's going to be a lot of pictures there, more than you're seeing anywhere else. And give me a call if you have any questions. You can text me as well. Thanks for checking out this cool 1940 Chevy. Okay, so we're going to walk under the 40 Chevy, and the undercarriage is just beautiful. They put a lot of money into the frame and the suspension in the undercarriage. You can see that, and that's why it drives like a modern car. Look at this, just beautiful. Got coilovers up here, independent front suspension, front disc brakes. Super nicely done. It's all professionally wired under here. Really well set up car. You got some really big drums on the rear and some nice fat shocks. So that explains the handling. It's really fantastic handling car. Okay, so as we tell you in the description, the rear fenders are fiberglass, which is fine. So I can't do the magnet test on those, but the rest of the car, this is a really weak magnet. And I just like to go around and do this and show you that this car was properly prepped before paint. Obviously we have metal front fenders. All right. There you go. Great shape.